it's me. I'm Stephanie Flath, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm coming to you not live again because I wanted to follow up with the video that I posted yesterday. So first of all, I want to show you the difference in the screen when you're going mobile, but also when you're on your cell phone as opposed to on your computer. Ooh. Excuse me. Sorry, it's at night when I'm doing this. But also I want to show you how you can make a wish list without having to write it all out, which is great for if you're online. So I just want to help you with that really quick. So first of all, let me get my screen out of the way here a second. I don't know how the screen is for you guys, but I'm making it smaller and I'm getting it out of the way. So this time I am logged in my account. I am a demonstrator, but I have the option to view as a customer, and so I want to show you that. So the first thing that I'm going to do to get you the look as a cell phone is I'm going to I'm showing you this small view. So this is how things would end up looking on your phone. So again, if we're looking for last chance products, we're going to click these three lines here. We're going to look for specials and click last chance products. So you're going to see 2 products at a time. You can find your filters up here if you're looking for something specific, if you want to see what's in low inventory, if you want to see things that are only half off, if you want to choose certain colors, you have all of this here. You click apply when you have it chosen. I'm going to do a color one again. Poppy Parade. Click apply. So now the only things that are going to be showing right now are last chance products that coordinate with Poppy Parade. Either there's Poppy Parade in it or something like that. So I just wanted to show you a quick filter again using the cell phone view. Okay, now I want to show you something that can be helpful for making your wish list. So let's say you want this Snow Day two-tone cardstock. I can click the heart right here, which you can create a favorites list, or maybe you can create, we're going to create a new list. We're going to call this last chance products. Create new list. Okay, so now, if I'm correct, I just added that to my last chance products list. I'm going to do one more. Here, we're going to put it in last chance products, so it's there. All right, so, it didn't do, I created the list, but the first one I don't think was in it, but we'll see. I think we go here to find our list. There it is, last chance products. We put in, this is something else that I had in here. I don't really need this anymore, actually. Well, anyway. Okay, so we put this product in here for Snowy Scenes designer paper, and you can put all of your things in your list, and like all the things that you're hoping to get before it's gone. And when you're ready to actually order it, you can click here to add to your cart. So it takes it from your list and puts it in your cart. So I'm going to check the cart out right now. There's your cart. Now I don't know if you change your mind if you can put it back. I haven't done that before. Let's look at it a second. I'm gonna look at the item. Okay, so I can add it back to my list, last chance products, but I don't think that takes it out of the cart. I would actually have to go back to my cart and remove it from there, if that's what I wanted. Okay, so we're gonna go back to, we're gonna go back. So there's the product that we looked at. I don't know how to get back there quickly. Oh, excuse me. I'm just gonna keep going back. Okay, so here is my list again. Now, go one more back. So here's all of the Poppy Parade products. I'm gonna add one more. We're gonna add these iridescent piece of back discs to Last Chance products. Now it will stay there until you take it out or until you add it to your cart. So I'm gonna go back to this, my lists again. Wait, where did I see that? I saw it a minute. Oh, I know. I'm gonna go in the list. Okay, here's a cool thing too. Okay, so this is perfect for birthdays or Christmas or whatever. So I'm inside this list. I clicked the actual list that I had. I'm gonna go back. Last chance products. You could have favorites, you could have birthday list, Christmas list. So I'm gonna go into this list and look, I have share list. I can click that, copy the link. So this would be, or share by, what's this one? Oh, this is email. So you could email this list to your family or friends, your husband, whoever you have in mind. Either by copying the link and pasting it in an email or in your phone, like in a text, or you could actually click here. I'm gonna just click here. I think it will open up my email. It didn't do it yet. All right. Oh, something. I have that circly thing on my arrow. Okay. So it opened up. I'm not sure this is going to show this here. I'm going to take this down. Okay, so I have an email opened up in my Outlook. That's where it ended up being. So that may not be the best place that you want to do it. Go back to here. Okay. Anyway, copy the link or share it Facebook, email, or Twitter, I guess. So you can make a list and you can share with people. So that's good for now when you're wanting to create a wish list. Maybe you, because ordering is going to be online starting April 15, there are going to be ways that we can get around it a little bit. But for the most part, so many of you order online from me anyway. So this is a place where you can store your wish list and you don't have to have, I mean, sometimes it's fun to write out lists. I get that. I like doing that also. But if you don't want to forget, if you don't want to forget where your list is, you can create one in here and all you have to do is just transfer it rather than, what is that thing called again? And it's already here. What was that paper that I didn't want to forget to order? I know it's on one of my lists. Anyway, here it is. So I'm actually going to take this out. I don't want this in my list. You can completely delete the list. You can edit the list. Maybe you need to add more things. You can also put add all to cart. Ah, that's a good link to have. Okay, start browsing if you want to just go shopping some more. So if we start there, starting browsing, that's just everything that's here to order. So then you're going to go here again for if you want to find last chance, just under specials. Or if you want to filter out anything, you can search here if you didn't catch that before. So anyway, it's a great place to have a wish list and a great way to use the online store again also. Okay, that's all that I had to share with you. Have fun shopping. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know if something didn't work that you tried. And that's all that I have for you, but now I'm going to stop sharing here and get out of it. There we go. Okay, so that's all that I have to share with you for now. And if I find more things to share with you, I will do that. Thanks. Have a great day. Oh, P.S. I'm not going live today. I'm going to be posting this in my mailing list. I'm not going live today. I have a conflict with family, and so I'm going to go live tomorrow instead. So same time, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time on Facebook, Thursday, but not Wednesday this week. Okay, thanks. Bye.